Hello, everybody. Welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. And this question is from one of my students, and this question is about to solve the hospitals who cannot work in some certain examples. For example, here is an example. This one. When you apply the hospitals rule to evaluate the limit, we cannot get our result. Also, I here provide another example. Same case. Okay. In this case, let me see the first example. When x tends to infinity, e to the power x is 10 to infinity. This is 10 to 0. Then for the denominator and numerator, the numerator also infinity over infinity. Therefore, by the L'Hospital's rule, differentiate the numerator and also differentiate the denominator. Okay. Wow. Also infinity over infinity. Okay. Do it again. Oh my God. We still cannot get our result. What's wrong with this one? Okay. Because the L'Hospital's rule cannot work here. Therefore, in evaluate this example, we have to understand each part of the denominator and the numerator. What is the main point of the these terms? For this term is 10 to infinity. This term is 10 to 0. This term is 10 to infinity. This term is 10 to infinity. For whatever you do, you differentiate, you cannot eliminate this one. Also, you cannot eliminate this one. And on the other hand, the e to the power x, when you differentiate, it still get the same things. Therefore, we cannot do that. We can do nothing in this calculation. Therefore, we have to focus on, as this is infinity over infinity. The main point is infinity here. The main point also infinity here. Therefore, we only factorize the infinity outside. 1 minus e to the power x times x. Okay. For denominator, we also do the same thing. Now cancel this one, and for this 10 to 0, this 10 to 0, this 1 minus 0, this 10 to 1, the denominator also 10 to 1, this is 1. In many times when we cannot apply the L'Hospital's rule, we have to think basically what is the fundamental structure of the limit. Okay, and here I also provide another example here. Here, you can see when x tend to infinity, this tend to infinity, this tend to 0, this tend to infinity, this tend to 0. Therefore, the form of this one is infinity over infinity. Therefore, I apply the L'Hospital's rule. Six e to the power x plus x times e to the power minus x, 9 e to the power x minus 4 e to the power minus x. In this case, it also infinity over infinity. Whatever we do at the number of times, we cannot get our destination of the limit. But it doesn't mean that the limit does not exist or something or else. Therefore, we have to observe the basic structure of this function. Okay, has this infinity, this is 0, 0. Therefore, we have to factorize the infinity outside. If we can cancel the infinity, that we done. Otherwise, we cannot do nothing, or the limit does not exist. Okay, in the for the numerator, we factorize e to the power x, then inside is 6 minus x to the power x times e to the power minus 2x, and for the denominator, factorize the e to the power x, then the inside is 9 plus 4 times e to the power minus 2x. Cancel this 2, and we can see that the answer is 6 over 9. 6 over 9 is 2 over 3. As this is 0, this is also 0. Okay, then this is the we discussed the L'Hopital's, the property of the L'Hopital's rule. When apply this one, we have to be careful. We have to be careful when we can apply, when we can't. Okay. Hope that guys can enjoy this video. Finally, please subscribe my channel. My channel is Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. Bye bye.